gather information about target website using GRcon. GRcon is a Python tool that can be used to run a Google search queries to perform a reconnaissance on a target to find a subdomain, subdomains, login pages, directory listing, expose documents, and WordPress entries. So here was the here was the GitHub page. GRcon, you can easily git clone using these links. I have already installed. So here was the process of installing GRcon in our terminal. Okay, so we go to our terminal and Python 3 GRcon.py. You can easily run the GRcon on your terminal. So our target website was the GRcon is initialized in the set target find type. Our target website was scanme.nmap.org. So here it is our website, which is we will scan and hit enter. GRcon searches for available subdomains, subdomains, login pages, directory, listing, expose, documents, WordPress entries, and pasting a site and display the results. So here is our GRcon was loading, looking for a subdomains, looking for a subdomains, looking for a login and sign up pages. So here was the current micro plugins are here, subdomain directory listing, expose docs and WordPress entries, pasting sites, checking these sites in our scanme.nmap.org. Okay, so here was the paste bin here. Attackers can further use the gather information to perform various web application attacks on a target websites. This concludes the demonstration of gathering information about target website using a GRcon. So our GRcon was completed, and here it is no subdomain for a scanme.nmap.org. We run again for the I type wrong site scanme.nmap.org. Okay, so scan was started. So here was the subdomain of scanme.nmap.org. Looking for a subdomains, looking for a login and sign up pages. There is no sign up and no login page in this site. 20 seconds sleep, avoid a Google block. Here was the directory listing, was a images directory are here located. No exposed public documents, no WordPress entries are here. Looking for a pasting sites. So here was the pasting sites available here, and our scan was completed, and here was the information about the scanme.nmap.org. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you again.